he is? Baked?
No, he's that's his son right there, Blueface son.
Blueface son?
Yeah.
That boy fire. That boy fire. And what Blueface is? Blueface Baked?
Blueface baby, he's Versace man.
Oh, he's Versace.
He's a Denali son.
Where you at? You in Orlando?
Tampa.
Are you in Tampa? I just got a Versace granddaughter. Yeah.
So bring it here.
That's what it looked like, tell you the truth. Oh boy, that looks good.
Bring it here, man. We'll bring him out real quick. You can get that father-son deal right here.
Yeah, we can get that. I get low on these boys. They low to the ground. Father, son, man. Blueface, man. Right here.
Blueface definitely produced, boy. Y'all see it. Putting that bone in that girl. Y'all see it.
Full tail. Full tail.
Full tail.
What Blueface? Full tail.
That's a real fat right there.
Yeah, boy. And what you got right here?
Big LA son, 8 months. Sumo.
Man, that boy that got some bone on him. Look at them bowls. How old he is?
8 months.
8 months?
You being generous.
What's your name?
E.T. Kendall.
E.T. Kendall? You here?
No, from Temple.
For Temple with them boys.
Yeah. That's my partner now.
Man, I might have to lock this boy in, boy.
And we got that, he's actually early stud right now. We opened up about a year because I want to get the first few breeders off him.
Of course.
I ain't going to sit here counting him.
Of course.
Early lock-in, 1,000 paid at 4, 1,500, 300 lock-in.
Man, 8 months.
You see how compact it is in person. Bitches don't do it justice. It look bigger. What's it called? Pictures.
I might be on your ass, ain't even gonna lie.
Trying to tell you this is a wild factor right here.
Yeah, boy, I might be on you. And you said E.T. Bullies. E.T. Bullies.
ET_Billies on IG.
Come on, man. Look at that. The little is fine shit. Over there, fly. Oh boy, got something right there, boy. Come on, 8 months. Man, that's like a puppy. You see it coming out? You see the bulls coming out?
I pulled it all out. I ain't one of them top shit ass niggas, but I need smoke. I need that in my life.
I can't wait to see the smoke. Okay, to see the smoke.
I need that. I don't really speak on it. I just bring it. All right, let's go.
Yeah, I ain't bring no dogs. Okay, to watch the smoke. Both of my girl dogs pregnant. That boy fire. Man, don't be recording me, man. I'm recording you, man.
Oh, man, we're going to have recording interference. 13 and up, come on in.
What you got in here, man?
Yeah. Well, this is for Dad.
These are Pocket Chulo.
Oh, they Pocket Chulo. I got
This is our keeper, and this one we're selling.
I got
That one too.
my girl is actually pregnant by Pocket Chulo. Yep. I got my nephew got a dog that's pregnant by Pocket Chulo. Puppy should be here on March 7th. Then I got a puppy that's and trading my puppy chulo should be here like around April.
Yo, we got 2 Merlos from
Yeah, they're coming too, okay.
Yeah.
you can tell it goes Merle for sure.
Yeah. Are you the one? What's your name? Man?
My name's Andrew. My wife's Morgan.
Okay. You sell them? Have you sold any on Facebook?
I'm the one that's selling them.
Okay. I think I seen it.
I'm in like every group pretty much.
Yeah. So I think I seen them.
You
Yeah.
probably have. That's their mom.
Okay. My girl dog got ears just like that.
Does she?
Yeah.
Her ears are kind of starting to set up like that.
Yeah.
That's their mom.
But did you get any that sit up directly?
Well, not yet.
Okay.
Actually, the one out of there that are done.
Poppy Chulo Pump. Yeah.
He will eventually, yeah.
You guys trying to add to your account, or are you gonna keep the
We
ones
just
in your
started.
group?
Yeah, so we gonna keep a lot, you know what I'm saying? At the beginning.
No, I feel it's so hard. We were like, how many do
Now, because we were always gonna buy them.
She's not here. I can show you a picture of her.
Got ears like smooth. Yeah.
Picture, yeah.
She look good.
This one's my favorite. She is so chill.
Yeah.
No, this is payback.
Payback?
Payback?
Yep.
Yeah. This is how she is all day long.
Yeah.
She does not.
That's how my girl dog is.
Good step, dog.
Yeah. I got good looking pup.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Great wise on the